Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where I get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and this morning we are in Crownland. We're heading to see Rayan. We have been calling him on the phone, not getting through, so we decided to just come just to see him. Just want to say, thanks to everyone. Thank you so much for your continued support, for always watching and sharing the videos. All right, much love and the blessing for that. All right, so now we're just going to head up and just that he's there.
Head up.
Yeah, so we spoke with him yesterday on the phone. Was it yesterday? No, Sunday. Spoke with him on Sunday, but just did not get to him yesterday and today, because we were supposed to come yesterday as well, just did not work out. So we are here. Woo.
Sun hot.
Yep. Hi, Sandrina. In the bush.
We are calling him and I get him.
Nah, get him on his phone. You know, pick up.
You call him? You know him there?
She said him there bush.
Yeah, she said in there bush.
Like as in farm.
He ain't could have there any bush. That's why I asked if she know which part. How far?
Ooh.
Far road.
Ah, yeah, go there, sir?
Yeah. So how long? Oh, Jesus.
Ride the bike? Try call him again.
Let's see. Hear that, guys? Rayan, they are far bush, far round.
You have been redirected to the mill.
Not getting through at all. Phones don't work up here. I guess on my phone digital don't
So we
work.
just go up there till he come then. Alright, wait there, sir.
I guess we just wait somewhere. Alright guys, so Rayan is not here. Can't blame him because the plan was for us to come up yesterday, but we were doing some things for him and we had challenges getting it done, and so as a result we had to just postpone it coming yesterday, but just did not get him on the phone to tell him either that we're having challenges and we're unable to make it yesterday. So no fault of his, no fault of ours either, just didn't work out that way. So we are going to hang around for some stone until he come from the far bush.
You can go and look for one cow over there, sir.
Let me catch one stone over here. Hopefully,
it's one cow there.
Hopefully it don't rain.
You want black
Hi, morning. How you doing?
I'm sick out,
You sick out? What happened to you?
Brain not function right,
Oh, your brain not function right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I got to make it something and something. But we need to take a hold of it.
Why? You feel like you get better?
Oh, the doctor, you have to take your medication, man. They came the other day?
And that's why I say, you want to make me last time expire, no?
Oh, they expire?
You keep them too long.
Uh-oh.
So the doctor tell us your brain not function alright, you see so. That's how you feel.
Yeah.
Oh.
Where you feel?
I'm really done there. We don't get no sleep.
Oh, you're not asleep.
Oh, so the doctor, they give you a sleeping pill?
Yeah, they give me so we have to pill it.
Oh, okay. Well.
That type pill will expire.
Yeah. That's good.
So you have them still on the expire and that's them way?
I'm going to take them. To the experiment, what I take them.
You know, take them, but you have them. So throw them away. The doctor tell us they expire.
At 3 times, Malaysia, the sister said they expire.
Oh. Oh, okay, okay.
So throw them away. So what your name?
Hubert Hewitt, man.
Hubert Hewitt.
Hubert Hewitt.
Oh.
Oh, so Sandrina, your sister? Oh, okay.
So what kind of work you do?
I found the real what we had the camera is too tough on them. I'm thinking jamming on it, somebody.
You can't manage it.
Yeah, I'm digging it.
Oh.
First time I used to do no fight, but I can't do as much as I know.
So you do some of it still?
I'm putting a couple of holes.
Oh, okay.
I mean, the cabinet and I put in the bamboo them, you know?
Okay, okay. So you have children?
Yeah, I mean, those.
Oh, okay.
What make?
You don't have no wife? Oh.
You never have none? So where you live?
My mother lived there. My mother lived there.
Oh.
In sick too, you know?
Oh, your mother sick too?
I was there.
Oh.
There was little neighbor right through.
Yeah.
She not come out none at all?
I'm going to want smoking, and I tell you, every time you smoking, you don't want that.
But if she see her smoke, she don't must want smoke too.
So you smoke and you tell her if you not smoke, so how you want smoke? Eh?
Cause it's most a reason why you tell her if you not do it, not true? Kind of good for her.
But you know what I eat.
Or she just want smoke and not eat.
So how old is she?
Yeah, I'm 60, you know.
Oh. So she can't walk?
Yeah, can't walk.
Oh, she can't walk.
on smoke.
Oh, she walk on smoke. Okay.
Lord Jesus. Have mercy, Lord.
Oh, wow.
So I'm taking piment away that broke.
Yeah, I sell it. I sell it to you.
You sell it already?
Yeah,
You sell it green?
yeah, Jay.
Yeah?
He work with
Right to the pastor,
right there, so. Mm-hmm.
Sell it to my woman.
Oh.
Walk and buy.
Yeah?
Oh. How much a pound for the pimento?
I will pay 5.
$500 a pound.
Is a piment expensive?
I had no idea.
Some people pay more. Both man say I pay 6.
Oh, because the person you sell it to would have to buy it at a lower cost in order to sell it. So you say your brain now work good. Eh? But you have
That you tell yourself that. Brain a click. How old you be?
47.
47?
Which year? Which month and which year you born?
Maybe July.
July how much?
75.
1975. So you'll be 50. You born 75, you're 50. Yes. Your brain a click still. Your brain a click, man.
Oh, yeah.
So you say you want? What you say you want?
We'll check up a doctor.
I want to go check your doctor. Yeah.
But I think you said they come to you.
Come to Malito and my mother got an injection in them.
Oh.
So what are the injection for?
Children sick too.
Oh, so you all have the same sickness. Okay. So they come to Sandrina. Sandrina call Mali.
But the injection in them.
So what they give you? The pill? Okay.
But you know, take a pill like that, I must see injection in my get.
Who?
Sandrina, you have a pill pulling up there.
She not take a pill neither.
You know, take them. You have the pill in the house there.
Them a pill then look like a good pill, man. How no just not take them so? Huh?
And then I like a pill.
You like it.
What happened to you when you take a pill?
I take it, see how you.
No, like how you feel, how it make you feel.
This is not sleep, see how
So
When
like,
last you sleep?
you.
When last you sleep?
We just lay on there.
You lay down and not sleep none at all?
A couple of nights ago, we just lay on there, see how you.
from night till straight till morning.
Boil some soursop leaf tea and drink it.
So what's that leave?
Yes, and you can use a young banana to one old lady did tell we.
Well, you eat banana.
Young banana with the soursop leaf. Take it, make tea and drink it.
Yeah, so we molasses, we just drink.
But molasses are going to give you all the energy, man.
Yeah, you need the soursop leaf, man. You don't have to sweeten it neither.
Banana, and
Yeah.
what's that?
Yeah.
Just well and drink it.
Yeah, man. So when last you sleep?
We just lay on there. I don't know, we just lay in the house and sleep, but we just, we come like sleep, you sleep now come.
Huh?
Yeah,
And we just get up back.
That not good,
that's
man.
strange.
And it's my nerves.
Huh?
So when last you sleep, when last you get some sleep, you remember? So that is what affects you. You're not sleep. Okay? Oh, that's why you say your brain now work good.
You feel sleepy now?
Yeah, I don't just lay on there. I just come like, I don't want to sleep, see him there. I just lay down, I should be able to put it back.
What do you think about?
Yeah? The boss say, I too much people probably.
I think so.
Yeah,
When you go to your bed, man, don't think about nothing. Think about your sleep.
say your prayer and go to your bed. So what you consider about life?
So tell me when last you sleep. When the last time you can remember say you sleep?
They must say me sleep, I don't know.
Oh, them say you sleep and you don't know?
Yeah.
So you doze off then?
I get up back early.
So it's the time when you get up you don't feel like you sleep.
So you not sleep long. Maybe just to get
Maybe
naps.
doctor need to give you a sleeping pill then.
Sleeping pill.
So that's why I'm saying one go doctor go check out.
You have to sleep, man. You don't feel no pain or nothing though.
I'm not feeling.
So I cannot go down at the clinic when the doctor come down by Troy.
Yeah, I Friday me say I come now.
So you go down the Friday?
Friday morning, go down.
Okay.
Well, it's WhatsApp leaf. You happy?
Yeah, so what's that?
Well, man.
Well, because if you go with the back.
You could.
Bark of the tree.
This WhatsApp leaf. This WhatsApp tree bark.
I know the leaf work though. Leaf work. So you can try it.
If I your nerves.
So when your cousin tell you if you try it?
I know, so you might tell me about me to boil the leaf.
You boil the leaf?
But me no boil the bag. But you must say all the boil me to boil it. And no one time.
Just make
Yeah,
tea.
you
Just
can.
boil. You can boil it and put it down, you know, like put it in the fridge.
I say me boil it and put
You
it.
drink it like water.
Yeah. So you can't do it one time, you have to be consistent. You have to do it often.
You look like you want to sleep now, man.
It does look that
tired.
way.
And so me get up and go in the bush then over.
Oh.
So you feel tired?
I don't feel tired. I'm going to sleep now. Sleep.
Oh, but because you drink the molasses.
I'm drinking molasses hard, you know.
You know,
drink now.
that, you maybe have to cut off of that. That's a lot of sugar.
I'm drinking some liquor wine.
Too much.
Maybe that's why I have so much energy. Take when you sleep. You have to cut off molasses. Cut off molasses and drink the WhatsApp tea. Yeah. The body don't want no more sugar. I guess you get enough through the molasses.
So who tell if you drink molasses?
Yeah?
Who tell if you drink that?
And the cousin give me it, say it's good.
Good for your nerve.
But maybe it used too much.
So you just drink it one cock or so? Or you just...
We mix in the water.
Oh.
Throw in a cup and throw water pan.
Mix out it. Oh, so.
Because it's good, you know, but molasses is good, but I don't think, like, if you have too much. Rayan, come?
Black cup. 10 black cup.
Yeah, it look like it have a rain. So what is your name again?
Hubert Hewitt.
Yeah, you did say it. Hubert Hewitt.
Can't sleep. Nah, sleep.
Yes, man.
So how long now this happened to you?
I go to cry now.
Like what, 1 year, couple months?
Months.
Months. So since it started happening, you go to the doctor, or it's just the people who come in the bus, you see?
I go to the doctor and they give me a tonic. I'm drinking a tonic to some pills, some sleeping pills. But the pills, I come like now, why them take them and do with them, I don't find them. I look for them and I find them.
They can't find the pill?
The doctor give me.
Lord.
And they give me some little pills and I go them.
But
Sure, it's not dry.
Right? I don't know.
Oh. I forgot to check your ratness, man. You can't find it, that's sure.
Yeah, you too.
That you driving?
That was.
Oh boy. So you know, so we out here.
I am here talking.
Okay.
I wait for Rayan. How far in there?
Oh, you down on Panera Road also.
Far.
Yeah, Likkle journey. Likkle journey. Must go walk around with that one.
Yeah.
What you say?
That's what you say. So look, when I talk foolishness.
Yeah. So me I say if people them on YouTube give you advice to beat you, where that because just come beat you make you go sleep. You ball like a baby I go sleep. That's true.
I will tell us it's only you want to go sleep.
That's just what I say.
Oh no.
That cruel. So like when you don't want to sleep, you just eat or something.
Eat.
Eat, you eat, alright. Why you eat?
Yeah?
Why you eat?
Eat rice and something.
Rice. You eat enough rice.
I am.
You don't know, right? I know.
Oh.
Which part you ground there? So you not go there again?
You go there sometime.
We go there sometimes.
We say with the man with jam stick feet.
Brother, stop my brother, I have 2 minutes, no, I am to take up, you know.
Oh.
Oh.
Brother, I am to take up. I help him take up.
Then I help him?
I help him take up.
Oh, you help him. Okay, okay.
The contact is a big manager. Had the time, I must say, I hope no, I walk.
Yeah, but I said that too, because if me know you as a working man and then you come complain about you can't manage. Not true? You're a working man. If you're sick still.
So your mother, and Sandrine, them sleep? They can sleep?
They sleep at the time.
So beg them some for them now.
I just have to tell you, they sleep time.
They sleep right through.
Tell them to give some of them sleep, man.
I feel like he's sleeping. Just now, maybe no saying sleep.
You're not getting no long sleep.
So all I do, make sure say you go down by the clinic Friday. Next time we come, you tell you what they say. Yeah.
So if they tell you to beat you to make you sleep, you can't come do it.
They say that we couldn't do that.
Yeah, just take you beating because you want to sleep. Watch out. Alright. Guys, we need advice. This man saying can't sleep. We want to know if you do it. Tell him if you beat him or what.
Alright, man. Once you, I think maybe because you lose the pills or you get, because the doctor give you the pills if it help you.
Give me some pills. They don't pay me. I say I joke if I get the pill and I take them.
Yeah, smell about it too like a joke business. How you make the pill them last?
And you walk gone.
But try the tea. Try tea. The tea should help you. You have to drink it often. Drink it morning time or evening time. Here? I'll boil some and put down. I put in your fridge. You have fridge, huh? Alright guys, we are going to wait for Rayan, but we were having a chat with Sandrine's brother, Hubert Hewitt. Yeah. Yep, so we're still waiting.
What happened? So where you are go? What happened around there? Around there you live? So where you carry? Animal feeding? What kind of animal you have? What you have around there? What kind of animal you have around there? Oh, but you're a Rasta man, you raise hog? But you're not for raise hog, man, you're a Rasta. You know fi grounds it. Yeah. Fire raise the hog, you in here, him.
Him we always see on the roadside?
Yeah.
Oh.
Can when I hog go and give you that you fi do? No, that's why I want it too much for you. You have too much. No. Give me one and cut up and give people for eat. Yes. So what we give you na buy, we buy. Anything we give you na buy, we buy it. Ah. We don't have to go buy it, give you. Me have to buy. Me have to buy, give you. What you want? Yeah, man, I hug. We don't have none now.
Today.
You soon get it, man. You soon give you. All right. We bring it for you, man, when we come back.
Huh?
When we come back, we bring it for you. Yeah.
When you come back?
Like that, I can't tell you now. Yes, man. Yeah?
So you come here, you know, you come here, you can pull on there, you know.
Yeah, we come around there.
You know,
Yes.
alright, it's a midday night work there, you know.
Yeah.
Run a room there.
Run a room.
Run a room there, so.
Yeah. Yes.
You come here, you can pull on there.
Yes. All right.
Every woman, you come today.
She sit down here, sir. She there, man.
All right. Yeah, morning. Oh man, she not come today.
All right. See him there, guys. Yes, man.
Will you come to yesterday?
Huh?
You say, who you come to if you see them?
Me not see him. When there? Who me come to? Nah.
You gotta work, man.
He soon come.
Huh?
He soon come, man. Later.
You say you call him?
Yeah. If you see me, call him for me to hear.
I will my drink, Marcel.
So what you have in our buckle?
Huh?
What you have in our buckle?
What trouble?
Oh, terrible.
Want turble you drink?
You want terrible?
He must turble in another black buckle there. He have to turble in another black buckle.
Black buckle?
Yes.
Trouble means by what's happening.
Yeah. That food if you buy, man.
Huh?
Food if you buy with that money.
Food?
Yeah. You have to buy when I turble sometime. Okay, sir.
A turbo in my drink.
Yeah, a big turbo. You say a turbo. All right. Later. Yes, man. When we come with the food, we come around there.
Around the middle at daytime.
Yes, we don't hug them. Yes, sir.
All right.
Oh, God. You come from in the valley? Yeah. No.
Morning. Wagwan.
Take it easy.
Yeah. So what's Sandrina there?
Yeah, come.
Oh, she reached all the way down there too? So me say you're there way down in the bush.
Yeah, man, I'm a good distance. Maybe I help out and I'm a virgin down there.
Man,
I weed up on bad piece of ground.
one bad piece of ground. Big ground.
Yeah, man, a good size ground down there, man.
But we are calling when I get you.
Internet.
Oh,
Service.
but me call you straight to her and the phone nah pick up.
Nah, pick up none at all.
Can remember we did for come yesterday.
I'm a day all dress up.
You all dressed up yesterday. But we are calling yesterday and I get through neither.
Internet money service.
Yeah, because but me call WhatsApp and me call straight me not get through.
None at all, man.
But because we're doing things for you, as you know, we never get through, so we don't call if we make you know, so we not go come.
Yeah.
So we not get through yet.
I understand, man.
So we take you off at work.
Yeah,
You go back down there?
Well, I don't know it.
Oh.
Your lunch already? You have to go back to your lunch, man.
Hey, I don't to worry about that thing then. Just found me a work now. But just like when me sit down now and I easy, but me not do nothing. I just get a good meal for me. I really eat dry goods.
Yeah.
Just when me done now, me just sit down and just get something good to eat and thing, you know.
Yeah. So we stop at the school.
Oh.
When we stop at the school, Rayan, Andre, the little one. Thank you, Sandrina. We go find Rayan for
You reach quick.
You will find him always there front.
Yeah, he was at the front, but the bell rang and then he run off. But we see Rayan sitting in the classroom.
Yeah, man, they're comfortable now, man.
Yeah, man. So, because
nice.
you know, as you know, or donors would have donated, but we never got a chance to go to the school to make the payment because each time the principal is either not gonna be there on a day or when she's there, we weren't able to go.
Yeah, man.
So we pay for 4 months lunch for the boys.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, man. And while we were there as well, Mr. Richard, we spoke about the PE gear.
Oh.
And them not have no PE gear. You know, not true. Well, yes. Right, so we pay for that too.
Yeah.
For both of them.
And them did want to, but they call her wedding.
She tell us, yeah, she tell us, yeah, they call her and you guys were talking about the PE gear.
Yeah.
So them pay for now, so them that take.
Yeah, man, them good, I know.
Yes. And we see the tea.
And I know the amount where you did here.
Hey.
Yeah.
And that.
Yeah. Way less. Way less. Maybe you're here wrong, man, what they cost.
300 for one.
Hey. Me I tell us, me get me call somebody and they say 20,000.
No, sir, what that could I never
And it's
read.
a whole school I go buy for.
Hey, me say, and I try, me say, me all look at some guava. And me did some of them all poor. Yeah, me have to get back some this morning still. And put back in it.
Oh, so you did kind of look so we are come today then?
Yeah, man, me still a plan for the same way, man.
Yeah, man.
For me, that say, if me know, if we not really forward, me do still call and still and say, if we not even really forward today, just either me send it down for one taxi or something for me really want them there and them.
Yeah.
Is it me? Yeah, for all the
If then there, them are going lonely because you're going to bush.
as our papa, for the food, me put them thing.
Okay.
I'm good for the food though. And I say, no, and them spoil.
Yes.
And them spoil. So I say, then we more preserving it.
So the boys, them look good and everything.
Them
See
nice. Them nice, man.
well decorated and trim and look really nice and presentable.
Yeah.
But one thing though, because we saw the tailor not done the uniform yet. Him say you and him talk though.
Yeah.
But they had another one that with them wear. So what about the textbooks?
You want them with them get?
Yes, they not have them at school though. They not have them. No.
Yeah, them say teacher them take them from them.
You sure?
So them say them come up and them say.
Also,
say each for him teach, the little one say for him teacher take for him. And the bigger one say.
Maybe the principal no know.
That may I say.
So we have to check that because I was telling her that since we're coming up here, because I understand they keep the books at school, the textbooks.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take them and bring them back on our way down. But since as I said, it's just to let her know then, so the teacher has it.
For me tell them, you know. Me tell them say they have to go to the principal and make him write up their name for them and thing. But them say the teacher take them.
Okay.
So I say alright.
Oh, so you give them yesterday when they go to school?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, me give them yesterday.
So alright,
Go for the hill.
head up.
Let's see what we are going to do.
Yeah. We can walk and talk same way. You can lead the way.
Yeah, no.
Man, we can't sleep, we are going to so.
Yeah.
Man, say can't.
He can't sleep, man. A couple months, this a man say no sleep for him. I tell you somebody that let him some of me
Right
sleep.
here? Yes. So how it work out Sunday? Cause
yeah, me I tell you, say when them come with the thing, I through the native they do and put up a ply them, and tomorrow them a come put up a ply them.
okay.
Cause them say them never want put up a ply and the zinc no go up. So I just I just couple minutes after them put on the native nearly last thing.
Okay.
Be a light and a rain.
Yeah.
So if they get a little earlier, man, it
Yeah.
don't know. So when they come now, them all just put on the cap in and put up a ply them and thing.
Yeah.
Couple of them a come, so them all come help me full out in the same way. So when I did now, we are good on surface on sun.
Wow.
Yeah. I breeze blow up here.
But you know, they can't throw that on the road. Alright then.
Then did I say me no fi trouble it again, but you know sitting there, man. Never want that the plant root if you dead, man.
Never mind another.
Oh Lord.
Eh? They feel tired like me now.
You used to hill maybe
No, a good distance.
because you come from over there. Oh Lord. Whoa.
Yeah, man. That's how we are going. So tomorrow they say them are going down here.
Oh, they put up all of this in them.
Okay. The cap in now. Them all put over it and done. But then say them all really capping out of the zinc.
Oh.
I know all them all do it, but them might change, man.
Okay, I'm Benny.
Oh Lord.
So when they come tomorrow, they say we're done.
Okay.
Now help me throw some stone in night and think back out.
Whew. Alright, so just to update everyone, boy, I'm still a rest. Still on the top right. Wow. Alright, so just to update everyone, we and Rayan talk on the phone, you know, most of last week. And so because we weren't able to come at that time, we bought how much length a lot, Rayan? 6 lengths of lot. 6 bags of cement, cement, right? So that's what Rayan is referring to, you know, about our conversation on Sunday, where we got the hardware to bring them up so that they could put up the zinc. Yes, so.
Yeah, no.
Alright, so also is Rayan. Remember the last time when we came and we said that there was a textbook that we were unable to get, and the donor bought it online and shipped it to us. So here's the textbooks. Here are the textbooks. This one that is in here we would have purchased at the store, but they never had it in stock. So we paid for it, and when they got it, we went and picked it up. Alright, and so this one now is the one that we collected that was purchased online. So I want to say big thank you to the donor. Thank you so much.
Really appreciate.
God bless you richly. Yes. So these two we're going to take back with us, because on our way down we just stop and drop them off at the school and let the principal know that the books are at the school, because she don't know. Right? I guess because they gave it to the teachers. Alright, and in addition to that, Rayan, let me put up these. This is where I take a break in transmission. Alright, so you hold on to these. I have a piece of paper somewhere. Alright, so we have a number of donors who have donated. So we have an anonymous donor from the UK who she sent money, and she wants you to use it so that when you're working on the house, you can buy lunch for you and the men helping you and your friends them. Yes. All right. And then now
thank you so much, really appreciate it. Even though we don't know, but You know me for yeah, with a senior thing. I know you, but big up yourself. Really appreciate. Thank you so much.
Yes, man. Right, and so we also have a donor who she donated. She was really saying she wanted to use it for plyboard, but we informed her that you have the plyboard already for this space. So, but you don't have a door and you don't have a window. Right, so her contribution, we spoke to her, and that contribution will go towards your door. All right, and the window. All right, we also have 2 donors who donated towards your foundation. Now, we talked about the foundation already, but just to, you know, update everyone else, because, you know, we were talking about the stones and so on. So the donors were saying, you know, they would prefer if you maybe use the block and the steel for the foundation, or you do the boxing and casting of the foundation. So they have contributed in that regard. So, but when I was talking to you, tell us what you say. Tell us what you did say again.
I go just use this stone and put some steel in them place so we cut out now. Yeah.
Oh, these little part here.
So them I go tie. We can put the outside and we can put the inside. So I go tie it on and thing and then it deck off. So them I say, if you take it on back and if you use it black, then it will take.
Yeah, you can lift it up.
Or pull it down.
Yes.
So
I will just put steel in it and make sure it's straightened. Okay. All right. So that can be work. Yeah, that takes care of that. All right. And then to, you know, everyone else who have donated, just want to say a big thank you. Of course, we'll hand over to Rayan as soon as we have finished. As soon as we're finished with the video, we'll hand over to him.
Really appreciate.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Yeah. No.
You know, the last time I was here, that was where the ants. Yeah. Oh, this one. See?
Can them follow?
So.
Them gone in your shoes, Ryan? Sorry.
Yeah. Them.
Oh, you smell them? Powder them for.
And powder.
Yeah.
The last time I was here,
I know some around some did that try dig out the pit, you know.
Oh, you start the pit?
The boy you don't know some look at my go change. Yeah, it look like around so now full of beer stone. But there's a one hole there in this middle.
Oh no. Oh no.
One hole there me there. And this alone me.
Because that now so look like you'd have to beat up all of the stone there. And the big stones.
Man.
Wow.
So me did I said they know. We could have put the pit back over this.
Now which part you want so you can put in?
Right here, so?
No, what is so?
No,
okay.
Because I pulled on that, you know. So I said I could have dig the same place as far. Then say could have dig there.
Yeah, you can go for there.
That did it all along? First time seeing it.
Some pigeon did that, I did a raise in a hit. But then gone out, I want bird out there, so now I go hatch up and have pitney out there.
And move.
Yes, that's true. I never had no time for them.
Yes. Okay.
I have to run up and down one night time. So. And so I can put the pit over the side.
Okay. So that now you could have used and towards your chicken coop when you're ready?
Yeah. And some of the pan this, I know.
Okay. Yeah.
I children say to near to yours. But some don't know if I somewhere for it, so then say them go be.
Why if all come?
If all come.
Oh.
I say could I go somewhere I've done it, but it all I told me now and put it to near the house them.
Once in a wet still in
Okay.
All right. So you go back on the job. Or you don't know yet. So you don't want to keep up your time.
Yes, sure. Yeah.
Okay.
Anything can go on.
Yes. All right, everyone. So this is it. You know, came see Rayan. Although we had to wait, we had a good talk with Hubert down by the road. So we want to say thanks to everyone who has.
Son, my name.
Oh, yeah, son.
Rasta is.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, son. We have the feet on your head.
Yeah.
Okay, yes.
Have a long time. You want to know where we are going. To see who we come to.
Yeah, man.
They catch you up there, so everybody say, they say, wait for me.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
Alright.
Son.
Yeah, man.
I really have a great time Sunday. If I send you a video 3 times, a phone and pick up one thing. Yeah, man, a good amount of them get a good help Sunday.
Yes.
Man. And then so then just come back tomorrow.
Okay.
If me Virgin of me a help on this Ralston.
Oh, Ralston.
Okay.
Say I can help me man in same way. So I get a good help tomorrow, man.
Yeah.
Hopefully tomorrow when me done tomorrow. I just see
inside.
Them tell you what size door yet?
How much did they say again? 3 foot.
3. Okay.
Yeah.
And with the wind, yeah, I know. Like I try to hook up in the car. Wow.
There's a good thing all is sick there for the house. You know really at this.
So you still have to sit down out here at night time?
Yeah, man. Sit down and go and leave.
Yes.
Whereas like this is the fun, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
All right, so. Yeah, so just want to say a big thank you to everyone, all our donors. We thank you so much for donating, and may God continue to bless you richly. All the help that you have given and have been given so far is greatly appreciated. Right? Right, Rayan?
Yeah, man,
yes.
really appreciate it, man. As me I say, look for me now, you see it? Yeah, man, from which part I come from, you know?
Yes.
So which part?
I come from over there, sir.
Yeah. Right, I say, I know. Yeah, man. Thanks to everybody, man, we're doing it, man. But most of all, thanks to God, man.
Yes, indeed.
Thanks to the same way if you make it thing possible, you know.
Yeah.
If you make them see life what me did I go through. Yeah, and people really see it and really feel the pain and say, you know, I go put you somewhere then.
And the boys are right and well taken care of now? Yeah, so they shouldn't miss school.
No.
Them all right straight up until December. Yeah.
Right true. I'm going to make you proud, man.
Yeah,
make
man.
Everybody proud, man. When you see me again.
Yeah.
Yeah, you will see.
Yeah, but next time I see you, man, I go beard and clean.
Work, yes.
Yeah, in a different type of way, I'm talking next time up on
the room finish and everything.
Yeah, that type of way.
Cut your party.
Yeah, yeah, Sandrina drink out of a big teacup, you know. Yeah, so I start plant up my flowers, them good.
Nice.
Yeah.
Wow.
Things, you know, I say.
Yes.
And I go see garden and everything. You know, say, everything I go alright.
Alright.
Now I feel nobody, you know.
Yes, man. By God's grace, you know.
Yeah.
Yep. Alright, everyone. Thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
Bye-bye, guys. See you in the next video.
Yeah, remember, give me back them book,
Yeah, we are hold them up like a beer.
Yes. Alright, guys. Blessed love, blessed love.